I was contacted on Facebook Marketplace by someone who wanted to get rid of this kayak. It's a Malibu Extreme. It's got some cracks in it. They didn't look like anything I couldn't handle, so I went ahead and purchased it. My next project, it's a Malibu Extreme. I think it's about a 15 foot long kayak. Got a really good deal on it because of this. I don't know how the hell a kayak can crack like that. I guess when they manufacture it, they don't stop and think that stuff's going to happen. See, there's a crack over on the other side there too. Somebody tried to repair. So basically this whole kayak's split in half. One thing nice is it does have the hatches. It's got a Wilderness Systems rudder system, which I'm probably going to take off of here and put it on my Ride 115. See, there's another repair there that somebody else did. Looks like it held, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to brace it from the inside on both sides. Here's another one right here, another crack. But let me get it, this back here doesn't look right. It looks like it's caved in. Like maybe there should be foam in there, a big old foam chunk or something in there, which I could probably do. Yeah, I don't think the back end should look like that. Just wide like this, and then it just narrows. I think the cracks come from poor handling, the way they stored it. Sorry about that. Okay, all the damage it has, it looks like all these cracks in this kayak are on the top. All this white stuff you're seeing right now is frost. It's a little cold right now. Yeah, there's a crack here. He claimed this is a new crack, but you can see where they've messed with it. They used I don't know. This is a patch they've done before. They didn't do anything on the inside. They just tried to patch it on the outside. And it's got a crack here. Yeah, that's just poor craftsmanship on the manufacturer's part. This is actually a cool idea for adjusting the foot pegs. Yeah, these are not new cracks like he claimed, but I don't care. So it's got one crack there, another one starting here. So what I'll do is I'll put like a piece of like king starboard inside of here and screw to it to give it strength, because it looks like that's a weak point in this kayak. Yeah, I think the reason other kayaks don't crack is because on the top they have those look, for the gear track. You see how it's got the gear track there, right along there. So that's just more structure for holding the kayaks. Yeah, I've got a few kayaks. One up there, one down here, two on that side, another one on top, two in the middle, and a windsurfer. This rudder system, I'm thinking I'm going to put on my Wilderness Systems ride. It's more deserving of a rudder system than this thing. I don't know, I might not even bother trying to fix it. Yeah, see, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it out in the sun. I'm going to support it from the front and the back and see if maybe it'll conform back to what it's supposed to be. Yeah, it's got a nice big hatch on it. All right, well, this is where I'm at with this right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue this project or I believe this, yeah, it's an '07. I mean, I have kayaks that are from the '80s that have never had this. I mean, not the ocean kayak, Trident 13. This is a long, skinny kayak, and it had a crack that went from the side down halfway across the bottom, and I was able to repair that. I mean, I know I can repair this, but it's like, I don't know, it just looked like it's cracked like an egg. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if there is a part 2, I'll link it to this after I do it, but I don't know. I'm thinking I might remove these hatches, and I might just strip it and keep all the parts, because I know the rudder system is excellent, because it's a Wilderness Systems rudder system. And I do have a Wilderness Systems kayak, and I also have a Trident 13 kayak, and I really do like the stability a rudder system gives. Again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, maybe comment. Let me know if you have a Malibu kayak that's also cracking like this. Maybe that'll give me a push to go ahead and fix it and show you how. Thanks for watching. I found another crack on the bow, and this crack right here goes around through to the inside. This is from the opposite side of it. Then there's a structural crack by the front hatch, another crack by the center hatch. That one was repaired, but it's cracking on the other side here. And then this is the big crack that goes from one side, and then it's on the other side. It's not cracked in the middle, but here's another crack in the front. It's got a really nice rudder system, which I liked. These are just the overview photos that I took from the video. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.